Hi guys, Sheri Ann Richerson here, and I wanted to share some of my, I could bottle the scent, and we had a smellogram on Facebook, but we don't. These are some tulips here, and I wanted to show you, this is a bush that I actually trained up on this trellis. I'm going to come down here. And this is Akiva. It's also known as chocolate vine. And see how close I can get to this. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to try to pull this out where I can get the sun behind it. It actually has two different colored purple flowers. It does have a scent, but I don't think it has a chocolate scent like they advertise, at least not in my opinion. I have one of these with white flowers too, and you do have to have two varieties to get the fruit on these. Hi, Bran. I'm going to show the white one in just a moment when I get over there. But this is just one of the purple ones I have. I actually have two. One of the viburnums that I was talking about that smells grandma. When she sold her house, I asked if I could dig the roses. And she said, if you can dig them. And we dug them. The back of that viburnum. Okay. And this is my Daphne. This is Carol Mackey. And I love the foliage, but I also love the scented flowers. I don't seem to notice the scent until evening, but that's okay. Now the other chocolate vine that I want to show you is this white one here. And it is a newer edition that has only been here a couple of years. I'm trying to train it up this post here. I'm going to go over here. This is, like I said, another viburnum that I have. That's just loaded with flowers this year. I never remember the name of these, but if somebody posted it, I would be saying, yes, that's exactly what this is. These are such delicate little flowers. And I have this color, and then I also have this color, and I had one that had kind of a chocolate flower on it, but I don't know what has happened to it. This is my trilliums. The smaller ones. I have larger ones. Of course, we have Virginia bluebells and lots of hellebores in this area. May apples. I have a lot of native plants in here too. And then this is actually a native poppy. Trying to think what else we want to see. Over here, I have, it's kind of hard to get in there, but there's more hellebores in there. But over here, I have more hellebores, more May apples. This is a variegated forsythia. For the life of me, I don't remember the name of it either. But it was one that they gave out at the Garden Writers Conference one year, many years ago. And going past this Daphne again, is something I wanted to show you. My Daphne actually split. You can see that. I'm not sure why it did that, but it's either rooted itself into the ground or has just kept growing as it is. I've always heard that Daphnes can be a bit of a pain. But mine is doing fine. That is a variegated tulip up there that you're seeing. And I have a lot of weeding to do. I want to walk you down here to the corner. Guys, I have a lot of dandelions in here. This peony is one Germany. And this is the front border. I have in among this rose another ground cover. This is a type of lobelia. It is a perennial here in Indiana. Hi, Carol. So like I said, this is my front, right up by the stop sign. And I want to show you these absolutely gorgeous tulips. Absolutely love them. So, like I said, this garden has been neglected for about 3 years since Sheri died. So I really have my work cut out for me this year. But I'm looking forward to getting out and taking my garden back. So anyway, thanks for watching. And I hope y'all had a happy Easter. And I hope you have a great night.